If you want to set custom MP3 files or WAV files for your app alerts, it's extremely easy to do. The first thing we're going to do is to swipe down from the top, tap on the gear or settings icon here, and then tap on the magnifying glass, and we're going to type in the word manage space notifications. And we're going to get an option here that says manage notification categories for each app. Tap into that and you'll see the option down here, manage notification categories for each app. Turn that option on and now we can do the second step. Next, I'm going to download the file that I want to set for my custom app alert. So I'll play this one. That sounds good. So I'll download it right here. And of course, if you have a file on your phone already, you don't need to do this step, but I'll hit open. And note that it's put this into the downloads folder in the top here. And we need to now move this into the notifications folder so this can work. So what I'll do is I'll swipe up and I'll type in files. And I'm doing this because we need to use the file manager on the phone to move that file around. So you can use the Google Files app or the Samsung one. I'll use the Samsung one. And you should see a screen like this, and we're gonna wanna tap into the downloads folder. So I'll tap into downloads, and this was the file I just downloaded right now. So what I'll do is I'll long press on that. And then at the bottom, there's an option that says move. So I'll hit move, and I want to move this into internal storage. So I'll tap on internal storage and then into the notifications app. Notifications folder right here. Tap into that and I'll tap move here. This file has now been moved into the notifications folder where we can select it for our app alert. So to do that, I'll now long press on the Instagram app icon, tap on this eye icon here, or this info icon. And then what you're gonna do is tap under notifications at the top here. And then you're gonna tap under notification categories. Now you can see it says messages, message requests. So for example, if I wanted this file to play for messages, I'll tap into messages, and then it shows that the sound is the default notification sound. So I'll tap into sound, and I want to now scroll until I see that file, which was something like retro right here. So retro arcade game over. So I could tap into that and it's now set for the app alert. And now I can go ahead and test that. And it's that simple to do. And if I tap under notification categories, you get set custom app alerts, whether you're getting a message, a video call, whenever you get a like, a comment, and you can set this for Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, basically any app on your Android phone. Now, if you found this video helpful, consider checking out some of my other videos. I have a bunch of different videos, on how to customize your Samsung phone or your Android phone in general. So consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.